Alright, it's Chen Chen here, and for today's topic, we're gonna talk about the 10 rules for real estate asset protection. And this topic actually for people who own a few property, and not just own few property, is for you who want to investing in real estate. You're gonna make sure your investing real estate is being protected. If not, someone else will take it for you. So let's straight to the point. The first rule you're gonna know when you step into investing in real estate, you're gonna pick the right insurance for you, because nowadays in our market got a lot of insurance. You cannot just simply go and choose the insurance. So you're gonna choose your insurance well, and you're gonna study it. That you're gonna make sure that insurance can cover your real estate if any accident happen. So that's the first rule. Second rule is avoid multiple names or multiple tenancy in a property. Maybe got some of you or other people, they prefer to have joint name together with husband and wife and own a property. If anything happen, so we'll get to each other benefit. So there's normal cases. But when you stand in real estate investor point, actually they will avoid to have multiple name on it, because for example, if you own a property with 4 different name or different type of people, if something happen in one person getting lawsuit, anything else will affect by 3 of you also. So that's the first case. Is for example, if another person, they already pass away, so they want to pass their property to the next generation, or their house, their wife or their children, it will affect 3 of you also, because straight away this ownership will straight away give for you. So this case will make you have a lot of expenses, maybe it's lawyer fee, everything else. So avoid doing that. And if a property or real estate owned by multiple names, actually for investor or saving investor, they not prefer to invest in that property also. So that's rule number 2. So rule number 3 is never hold real estate in a C corporation, because in property there's C corporation type and S corporation type. Avoid to using C corporation type is because it will get you in double taxation. For example, if you rent a property out and you collect a rental, right? So that's the first tax you're gonna tax. So if you choose C corporation, after you get the profit, then you're gonna choose the pay dividend. When the company want to pay the dividend for you, another tax will tax you. So you'll get double taxation. That's avoid using C corporation. Okay, that's rule number 3. So avoid using C corporation. That's better is use S corporation or LLP or LP. That's suitable for you, because that type of property or that type of company, you just get single tax only on one, not double. So that's rule. After that, rule number 4 is offshore strategy do not work for on-hold real estate, which means that never rely on just listen to anyone want to sell you about what we call asset protection trust. So this one is, you want to choose it, you better you consult your lawyer or your certified financial planner help you to enjoy it, because nowadays got some rules that actually when a person they own a property and they think about got a asset protection trust can protect their property, actually it's not. If you certain legal issue happen, it will affect you also. So if before you step into it, that's better you consult a professional lawyer or professional estate planner, certified financial planner before you choose it. That's rule number 4. So rule number 5 is you're gonna set your living trust early, because nowadays, for example, a lot of successful business person, they will set their living trust early, because this will avoid you for anything probate happen. If you can pass to your next generation, for your wife or for your husband, for your son, anything else, you can set it early, so that anything happen, you can all prepare well and nothing else will happen, so you're smoothly for you. That's number 5. So number 6 is you can choose your Land trust office privacy, but not asset protection. So which means that you're going to choose a trustee for you to set any trust living for you. Because if, for example, is for your investment real estate, anything happen, getting sued or what, so this trustee will hold your privacy for you, so your property or your asset will not exposed to anyone else. That's rule number 6. Choose a trustful and trustee. Rule number 6. To rule number 7 is, just now we say we avoid to choose using C corporation, right? So it's better for you to own a property or real estate. It's better to you to choose is LLP or LP. This type, why we're gonna choose a company for you to hold your real estate is, let's say for something happen, got your tenant, you rent it out. So if you're getting sued and that property is by your own name on it, it's not owned by a company, so you're in trouble, because the court case will straight away sue into your name, so it will affect your other property also. But if you already set up a LLP or LP, limited liability, so when someone sue, you cannot sue you, they just sue the company. So what will affect, just let's say if you have 10 property, just effect on one property only. So that's why we need company to separate our own name and or your own name with the company spread off. When someone else sue, they just sue the company, not you. Okay, rule number 8 is segregation of asset is good, which means that you never put all egg into one basket. For example, if you own a 10 property, so you're gonna make sure you're gonna spread it. If you have, you're gonna make sure you're gonna pay some fee of opening the company. So for example, if you have 10 company, you can set up 10 company and then 10 LLP to hold it for you, so a single property. Why can I choose that is because if something happen on one property and it getting any suit, so just affect on one property only. Or you can choose 3 on 1 or 3 or 3, spread it, but never put all your egg into one basket, because if something happen, they just affect a small part of your investment only, not just affect the all. So spread it, that's better. Rule number 8. To rule number 9 is you're gonna transfer title into your entity, which means that when you open a company, what we call LLP, you're gonna make sure that property, if you by your own name transfer into that company, then this company is owned by you, so you can do that. So it's better you consult with your lawyer and someone, your advisor can help you to do it, because if not, it will be not entitled as a LLP to protect your property. So, and this will affect if you have any private loan with someone else, and that's better. If you want to move into this step, have a lawyer or have a consultant to make it for you. So this is rule number 9. So rule number 10 is don't set up more entities than necessary, which means that don't go and simply set up too many company, and that's not you need. Maybe someone will promote you a lot of company or anything else. That's better. You're gonna know by yourself. Just open what you need, because nowadays maybe got a lot of salesperson or someone want to tell you that open C corporation and hold by S corporation, hold LLP, or so no need that. You just need LLP or LP to do your real estate investment properly. So not just go and simply open up 2 more, because when you open a company, they actually have a cost for you, so you can remember that. So that's rule number 10, and the last one. So after you listen all of these rules, hope you will get your property or real estate protected. See you.